clear. Sorry. Look! Yay! It's gone. This is dope, dude.
This is dope.
You can work on the whole
Yeah.
hullabaloo, dude.
Yeah.
This thing needs headers ASAP, dude, like Rocky.
Whoa.
Sorry, I don't know if I can say that. All right, babe, ready?
I guess.
I might tell you to straighten out a little bit, but wait for me to say that. Oh, babe. No, keep going. Straight. Fuck.
What?
Did you hit the brakes?
Well, I wasn't sure if I was going straight.
I needed the momentum.
Oh no.
Fuck, babe.
Sorry. I was nervous. I can't see anything.
I know, you gotta lean out the side. Okay, let's see here.
You should have explained that to me that you needed the momentum. I don't know.
I know, I guess I thought it was. I should have.
In hindsight, it's absolutely obvious.
I figured you. You know what? F it. We'll give that a shot. Worst case scenario, Mark and I'll push tomorrow. Fuck. Alright.
How do I turn this thing off?
That second one's gonna be a little bit harder, but I already sprayed the other side, and you know, just some preemptive stuff, just to make it just a little bit easier on yourself, because snapping studs and breaking stuff and spinning bearings sucks. I broke my other light. I bumped it, it fell and exploded. Look, that's all I found of it. Anyways, we're just pulling little bits and pieces at a time. Might need a new water pump. That'd be kind of annoying. Not a huge deal, because just a big block Chevy water pump. I can go in anywhere. Anywhere. A junkyard, your mom's house. Just kidding. But pretty much anywhere. Alright, so the AC beat me. Oh. I don't know when that happened, but the AC beat me. And I'm beat. It's about 12:30, which is plenty late for me. All you wanna do is smoke. Therefore, that's where we stop for the night. And you will see the front end of this thing, the beautiful front end, completely gone. I cannot seem to keep my vehicles together. I mean, literally in one piece. Pretty remarkable. Anyways, see you guys tomorrow. Alright, we're back to wrenching. I don't know if you guys caught that, but I already have the carb off, and I barely spilled all the gas. As you can see, since I had to leave the door open, and you know how Washington is, it's raining indoors, so it ain't no big thing. I like seeing the motor like this, all bare. Like no AC, no power steering, no alternator, just like this is the motor. It's freaking sweet. I need to remove the cowl and prep for front clip removal. I don't know. Here we go. We're gonna keep wrenching. Dude,
Yeah.
the spool is real. This dickhead can't help but keep reminding me that I sold my Buick Regal.
I legitimately think it's a Regal. I'm not trying to do it on purpose.
I know.
All G bodies look the same.
Yo, you hold your fucking tongue, dude. There could be a lot of angry people out there. You just said that shit.
I apologize to the few of you out there.
Listen, dude. The only thing that's different on Subarus is the fucking headlights. Tell me I'm wrong, dude.
You are wrong.
Yeah, whatever, dude. The color and the fucking headlights, dude.
The Legacy is based off a completely different chassis. I think the B9 truck is, but I'm not sure.
Dude, your mom's an Impreza.
That don't impress me much.
I'm gonna throw up. That was awful, dude. I can't believe you just said
I
that.
can't believe you brought me
I
that.
can't,
This was on you.
I can't believe I brought you to that level either. That's disgusting. All right.
Well, you know, truck's gonna get hit. You know?
I guess. I'm completely lost. We're gonna take the hood off the truck. I'm gonna circle back. Truck's there.
God damn. It's almost as if the Oldsmobile and the truck are the same size.
Joke's on me. All Cutlass, all GM vehicles are built on the same chassis.
Trucks on trucks on trucks.
Fuck. Truck nuts. Hell yeah, dude. Now it's a fucking hot rod.
Woo! Freiburger would be so proud.
My hands hurt from all this wrenching. Dude, this weather is hot dog shit. Bummer.
Do you have
Next is going to be the cowl.
a breaker bar? I need a breaker.
Hell yeah, I got a breaker bar, Doug. Boom. Fuck yeah. Did I break the clip on that bad boy too? Yeah. Boom. Damn it. Oh. Now that I did it, now that I've lived my life a quarter turn at a time for the last half hour, turns out Mark had a ratcheting wrench the whole time. Ugh. Is yeah.
Peanut blood and jelly. What's up, man?
That bumper, I'm gonna call that a Norwegian bumper stand, because you got to stand up from a flat. Oh, ow.
Wrong side. Sorry. Go ahead. Yeah.
I don't think it's off. Close. Good.
Yep. Is it close?
I mean, it's close.
We'll get it off.
It's spinning.
What do you mean?
It's spinning.
Okay, let's see what's happening.
It's very uncomfortable to film this angle. All right, so those are not coming out. They've completely rounded out. It's a square carriage bolt that seats in a square pad. So what's happened is those have essentially effectively rounded out. So we're going to wait on this, and he's gonna come back over and bring his welder. We're gonna weld those together and then pull those nuts out, and then we can pull the rest of the front clip off. But for now, we're gonna get back to trucking on his stuff, and we will get back to you with this crap in a little while. So see you guys in a minute.
Man, these things are fast.
Oh. What's up, dude?
Stop.
Morning.
Morning.
Yeah, like if it was bagged and would go up. Oh yeah, they don't turn off automatic. I mean, I love this car.
Yo, Ice, you still got the 5.0?
Okay, so plan today. You guys probably heard it very recently in the video, but that's okay. Because we got one step done already. Coffee, done, in your face. And he brought his welder over. I'm gonna make like Metallica and hit the lights. More lights, please. All right. We're gonna weld this stupid shits down here. That thing that the pry bar's underneath. We're gonna weld that if we can. If not, I'm going to lock it into place and cut it in half. Both of them. All right, I'm gonna go put real shoes on. These are my getting coffee and my Corvette shoes.
Damn duck shoes.
Damn duck shoes. And then, yeah, we'll actually get to trucking. Truck. All right. Puppy check. Check 1, 2. Okay.
I'll bet you. Oh, there you go, boy.
Dogs, madness. happy now. Got it dialed in.
Woo!
Yeah!
Ninja boy!
So, is that washer still gonna spin?
No.
Okay.
That's what I just welded.
Oh, you welded the washer?
To the stud.
Alright, so yeah, so I mean, yeah, okay.
I'll just hold that in place and then you can back it out and we'll just pull the whole assembly. That way it's not welded to the truck. You
Dope. So it's literally those 2 bolts and these 4 bolts. Boom, 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 boom. So,
That went well.
mint.
I mean, it went like shit, but it went well.
Yeah? Boom! No way, dude. So sick.
Good.
Oh. Dude, come on. I'm gonna conclude. Don't touch that nut. All right.
What's so good about dumb old Texas?
Yeah. Boom. Okay. I think we're good. Clear? Sorry.
Okay.
Thanks, dude.
Yep.
Done.
I'd love to finish my.
That video's done.
I want to drive the Corvette back to work.
Look. Look. Yay. It's gone. This is dope, dude.
This is dope.
You can work on the whole
Yeah.
hullabaloo, dude.
Yeah.
This thing needs headers. ASAP, dude, like Rocky.
Whoa.
Sorry, I don't know if I can say that. Okay,
I think you can.
let's get working on your car then, yeah?
I've been working on it for a day and a half.
Thanks for the help. Shout out Mark for welding my shit for me. Otherwise, I would have been messing with that for days and hated myself. We're trucking on the truck. Good news. Front clip is off. That's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for tagging along on my BS journey of trying to figure out how to do this. It's actually a lot easier than you think.
Where's the other shim?
It probably fell.
There it is.
There it is. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do that. Blah, blah, blah. Like, comment, subscribe, blah, 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 blah. And see you guys in the next one. Man, sweet. My garage is even more full. It kind of sucks.
This.
Yes.